It is legal counsel time. Thanks for joining us at 8:30. Attorney Charlie O'Hara is here, and we'll take your legal questions. If you have some, so pick up the phone. 436-1212 is the number to call on this Wednesday morning. Happy New Year, Charlie.
Happy New Year to you.
Sure appreciate you coming. Hopefully you had a good New Year.
I did. Real nice.
All right. Well, we're glad you're here today. Let's get to the phones. Good morning. Thanks for watching Eyewitness News. What's your question?
Yes, good morning. My husband got a traffic ticket in 1997 in Topeka. We live in Newton. And when we got home, he called Topeka to find out, what the charges were or whatever. And they said that they didn't have any information on it. Well, recently we received a letter from the Municipal Services Bureau and saying that we have a total due of $290.52. This was from 14 years ago. Now we receive a letter from an attorney saying that we owe $328.38. And my question is there a statute of limitations on this, or does he actually owe this? Because they have never contacted us on this, and it does say on the letter, date of last activity, 8/1 of 1997.
Okay. Well, the statute of limitations is different than the question you're asking. The statute of limitations is the time that the government has to file a case. So if the charges were filed within a certain period, probably at that time 2 years, if they were filed within a year or two, then the charges are good. Now there's another set of laws that govern whether they give you notice within the time they filed it. That's the set of laws that would apply to you. However, it sounds like the correspondence that you've received is from a collection agency, so it may not even have anything to do with your driving record or anything like that. So I'm not really sure whether you owe that money or not. Somebody would have to check into that. But there's a lot of issues going there. What's happened here recently is old tickets and old things that have been lost in files are now being computerized, and when they get computerized, the governments are going back and finding a lot of things that got misplaced somewhere, and that's probably what happened with that letter, and probably what happened with that ticket.
Even that long ago, huh,
Even that long ago. It's kind of coming up a lot. Really.
Yeah. All right. I think we have another caller on the line. Good morning. Thanks for calling today. What's your question?
Hi. My question is, I bought a car for my son who's over 18. I titled it in his name and my husband's name, and he got in trouble, and I want to sell it. And I was wondering if I have any right to the vehicle as the wife.
Well, the vehicle is going to be governed by whose name it's in. And if your name's on the title, you would have a right to it. If your name's not on the title or not on the loan, or you don't have anything to do with that, then you're not going to have much of a right to it. So that's the short answer. If your son's name's on there with your, I guess you said husband or something, both of them could sell it. So if it's or, either one. If it's and, then both of them have to sell. Some of them are and or, so it's either way. But probably if your name's not on the title, you don't have a right to that.
All right. We sure appreciate you calling. Eyewitness News here on the KSCW. Do we have another caller on the line? All righty. Well, Charlie, thanks for coming. We sure appreciate you coming this first Wednesday of the new year. We'll see you next week.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.